is. He's a little slow. He's in there now. It's tricky to get around the turns. But the straightaways are real fun. Not joining the party, Pumpkin. Not be joining. Loading her up. Oh, get there. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. It's interesting driving this around. It is a short track. We do have that one straightaway though. Alright, we are ready to race, so let's get ready to get rammed from behind. Oh, there's the Bugatti guy, taking a little people out there. Oh, if I can settle it down, got knocked straight almost. We're gonna get rammed right down here though. Alright, that's not bad. Fourth. Fourth is really good. Saw how it went the last race. So yeah, fourth is awesome. I'll take a fourth. Keep going, come on. We need power. We need the power. Lay the power down. That's it. We're out. We're on a breakaway now. This is the problem here, the turns. I don't know if we can hold everybody off. I got the message if Pumpkin's watching. Zealous Pumpkin. Like I said, I can't read messages while I'm racing though. That's a little bit too much. Touch the brakes, see if we can get it to turn here. See if we can make this turn now. Yes. Just need to be on the power enough to break away from everybody. The handling cars are going to catch us on that part. We'll lose them right here, though. Anytime we get to this straightaway, that's where we're making up some distance. And if we get this turn to go better. Be good. There we go. She settled down pretty good there. Oh, we were in the grass for a second there, but we made it. We made it. We survived. I got scared though. I could feel the tire in the grass though. That's not a good way to turn. I gotta break out of that thing. Can't hug that curbing there at all. We'll be in trouble. We might be stuck in fourth, but that's okay. We got a good fourth place lead going now. There we go. Turn back in. Alright, let's get nice and fast here. Huh? The other cars out there are just, they're breaking away, we're breaking away, it's all good. We just not gaining enough. Separating ourselves from behind us, though. That's a good thing to do. Dipped into the grass again over there. I'm gonna watch that. That could be the death of us. Literally. That could kill us over there. As long as we keep going there, we'll be alright. We will make it. Guy up here having trouble. We're real close to him all of a sudden. I didn't start driving any better. All of a sudden we're closing in on this dude.